Today we shall take up an important topic regarding solutions. We have learned about what is positive deviation and what is negative deviation, what is ideal solution, what is non-ideal solution with respect to the Raoult's law. Now, before we get into the topic today, I would like you to let you know that when there is a mixture of liquids, miscible liquids mixed together, we call it as a solution. Now, the liquids, when they get mixed together, they have usually different boiling points at normal conditions of temperature and pressure. Now, suppose there are two liquids, a binary solution is there. Now we can separate. We call it liquid A and liquid B. Liquid A mixed with liquid B forms a binary solution. Now liquid A should be having certain boiling point and the liquid B will also be having a different boiling point. The boiling points usually are different for each liquid. A liquid, suppose you boil this liquid, heat this liquid, the temperature rises and reaches to a temperature which is boiling point of the liquid A. I consider that the boiling point of the liquid A is lesser than the boiling point of the liquid B. As soon as the boiling point of liquid A is attained, a lower temperature, then we can attach a apparatus. Of course, it is previously arranged that way, which is known as condenser. The liquid A, the vapors of the liquid A can be cooled and pass through the condenser where they are cooled and you can separate it. This way we can separate a liquid in a binary solution having lower boiling point using suitable apparatus or equipment which is known as condenser and the reflux, and the process known as fractional distillation. That is separation of the liquids through a process of fractionation. And you can separate liquid A, which is lower in boiling point. Then when all the vapors are separated of liquid A, again the temperature will rise to a temperature of which is the boiling point of the liquid B, and then this vapor can also be separated and cool down the liquid. We can cool down and this way we can separate the two liquid. This process is known as fractional distillation. Well, this is all known to us and we need to review it. Now, of course, this is for the binary solution. We have taken an example. It may be a mixture of liquids having more than two liquids mixed together, and you can separate each liquid using the fractionating column, or industrially we use fractionating towers and we separate the liquid. Then there might be a condition where, now let us understand why these two liquids are separated. What is the reason? The reason is that the composition of the vapor is different than the composition of the liquid which is being boiled or heated. That's why it is possible to separate the two liquid through a process of fractional distillation. Now, suppose if the vapors of the two liquid which are being heated or boiled become equal to the composition of the liquid which is being boiled, then what will happen? Separation will not become practicable. You cannot separate the liquid then. You cannot separate the vapors because both of them have similar composition. And when the composition of the boiling liquid is equal to the composition of the vapors, separation has become difficult. You cannot separate it, and such a mixture is known as azeotropic mixture. Okay.